In this video, I'll show you how to turn Google News into an RSS feed so you can easily follow news updates in your favorite RSS reader. RSS lets you subscribe to updates from websites and see their newest articles or posts in one place. Let's get started. First, open Chrome browser and search this. In the search bar, search for whatever topic you like. After searching, make sure you copy the link. What you're gonna do next is open a new tab and head to our RSS app. Click Create RSS Feed. And here you're just going to simply paste the link of your Google News feed. Then click Generate. This is all you need to do. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.